Hi, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to make a quick box crate for keeping items in that are in my bathroom. I'm going to make it 40 centimetres wide, 40 centimetres high and 25 centimetres deep. So let's mark it up, measure it all out, and then we'll cut it up and then screw it together. I'm going to use a set square just to get it really square. I'm going to start with the front and the back. I want it so it be nice and neat at the front and the back of the crate. The joins will all be outside. Okay, that's one bit marked up. I'll do the rest the same. Okay, now I'll cut them. I've got my sections that are going to make up my box. So all I'm going to do is actually just drill some holes through here, just so when I screw through it doesn't split the wood at all. I'm going to use these screws, just like a 4 centimetre screw. Right, I'm just going to drill through just at the edges, halfway where that will go through, about 1 centimetre in on the ends. Just measure the mark just where I want to drill through, just so it's quite accurate and matches the other side. Okay, I've drilled holes just in the front and the back, and then everything else will just screw together. That's that one section done. Okay, that's the base in. I'm just going to screw it together so that ugly bits at the bottom so you don't see it. Okay, it's looking pretty good. So I'm going to sand it down with my disc sander. But actually before I do that, I'm going to cut a couple of holes for a handle. So I've measured up, I've measured 14 centimetres in each side and 8 centimetres down. And what I'm going to do is to drill with my drill bit, and it's got an attachment on it that will just drill quite a wide hole. So I'll go and drill it outside. Then what I'll do with my jigsaw is to cut a curved bit as well.
I've never seen you looking so good, yeah.
there's a bit of a hole there, a bit of a gap. So I'm just going to fill it just with a bit of glue and a bit of sawdust. Get a bit of glue in there. And then sprinkle a bit of sawdust on. And then just rub it in. Well, it's turned out alright so far. I'm just going to seal it just with some linseed oil. I'm just going to put it on just with a soft cloth. Okay, I'll just let that dry. We'll see what it turns out like. It looks pretty good so far. Well, this little box has turned out alright in the end. It looks pretty good. It's quite nice with the sort of contrasting colours. The linseed oils made the grain come out really well. The lighter bit of wood on this side is what I had left from making the wooden seats from this previous job. The darker bit of wood here and the sides was previously my brother's technical drawing board that I found when I was clearing my mum and dad's house out. I rubbed it down a bit too much there and it's taken the veneer off a bit, but oh well, it's just an old box anyway. It was meant to look a bit rusticy. So yeah, thanks for watching. And remember to give this video a like and subscribe. See you next time.